Hey eco builders! Ready to get crafty with what's right under your nose? Let's scout for local materials to start our sustainable DIY projects. From sturdy stones to fallen timber and vibrant native plants, your local area is brimming with natural resources. Time to put them to good use. Use local stone to craft charming garden paths or construct robust features. Plant native species to enhance your landscape the eco-friendly way. Grab that fallen timber and turn it into something awesome, like a rustic bench or a quirky birdhouse. Upcycling never looked so chic. Check out these eco-chic creations, made entirely from materials that were just lying around, waiting for a second chance to shine. Now, sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've built a sustainable paradise that's both beautiful and environmentally conscious. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, get creative, and transform local finds into your next eco project. Your garden and the planet will thank you. Love this eco DIY journey? Hit like, subscribe, and join us for more green crafting adventures.